Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can make a duet on your TikTok videos. So the steps are simple. All you have to do is search for any video you want to duet by tapping on the search icon. And basically the best way that you can find a video that you can duet with is by typing the word duet on the search bar. And here you can just slide to the right and tap on hashtags. And as you can see, there are several hashtags available. You can just choose which one. And let's try Duet Challenge. And here are the videos that you can basically reply to. So let's choose, for example, this video. Now let's say you want to make a duet with this video. Just tap on the share icon. And here on the third row, you see the word duet. Just tap on that. And now you're ready for your duet. When it leads you to this page, you can reply whatever video you want. Just make sure that you time your video to the original video, because once you press record, the original video will simultaneously start playing. Now once you're done, just tap on the check icon and then next, and you're good to upload. Now you also have to take note that you can only duet videos that allow you to actually duet. So for example, I record my own video and I do not want other people to duet my video. So let me just record a short video. And here you can see the allow duet switch is off, but I can switch it on if I want people to duet my video. So anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.